Today we're going to go over some broad markets and then finding an opportunity on the short side. S&P still trading above that 200. NASDAQ trading nicely above that 200 as well, but we did put in a new lower low. Diamonds still trading above that 200. Russell 2000. Now we're trading below. This is still a series of higher lows. And transports, this is the one I'm interested in. I like to see if there is more possible downside correction with the transports. Now if we flip over on this website, you can see the constituents of 𝗦𝗃, the transports. We got over 16% in UPS and close to 16% in UNP, Union Pacific. So first one to take a look at is UNP, and it's trading below that 200 moving average. I've also identified some areas where I can map out some symmetry resistance, clicking from that pivot low to pivot high, projecting to this new recent low. One more time, pivot low, pivot high, projecting. One here, over here as well, pivot low, pivot high, projecting. So with UNP, we have a 3 price relationship against the zone, 206. Price is coming up here, failed, could not give up above, and starts to sell off. Now if you're not in this chart already on the downside, just be patient because we may get a retest of the zone. And you may put in a lower high and from here continue to sell off for the next leg down, which is possible. So there are a couple of things that could happen. So scenario 1, come up here, retest, fail, back down. Okay, that's scenario. Market continues to sell off immediately from this point and from here. We're looking to see if we can repeat the same pattern again with these areas of symmetry resistance, and from here, more downside correction. Markets could also break through this area of symmetry resistance. If that happens, there's something to do on this chart. I wanted to go through 𝗦𝗃 today, explain my thought process, why I chose Union Pacific. 𝗦𝗃 selling off below that 200 moving average, but we know the first constituent in 𝗦𝗃 is UPS. It's looking very similar to 𝗦𝗃, and it's just dipped below that 200 moving average. Compared to UNP, this is a lot more weakness on this chart. So if I'm going to short something, I want to make sure I short a much weaker stock. If you'd like to learn how to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. Our first goal is 1,000 subs. Go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.